Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on our day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. Chainlink dumping from around the $8.5 area, which we've been in for over a year. This range from $6 to $8.5. We had a Smartcon day one yesterday. A lot of interesting talks during that day. We pumped ahead of it, and then we're dumping it. Buy the rumor, sell the news. And we're also going to take a look at Bitcoin as well. Stay tuned. Let's look at the chart. So before we talk about Chainlink, let's take a look at where Bitcoin is at. We're currently seeing a pump to the upside, recovering this volume candle. I told you in my last day trading updates, I want this volume candle recovered. They left a little piece of it left to the upside. The whole volume candle started 28.750. So could see another spike to the upside to recover all of these orders to the upside, but it's not necessary. However, we've seen a drop during yesterday, and we could see a continuous drop to the downside. I think wave one to the downside is done. Retrace one to the upside is possibly done. Could see another spike to the upside before it's done, in my opinion. And then what's next? Well, we need to recover these volume candles, which haven't been recovered for a while, at around 23.8 to 20.5k. I expect at least half of it recovered in the next wave down, going down to possibly 22k. We've seen a retrace to the upside from there, and then the last and final wave to the downside, possibly down to 18.3k. And then we'll see a reversal to the upside again when we perform a double bottom formation. Looking at news events for this week, we have the JOLTS job opening today. Tomorrow is a bank holiday in China, so the day will possibly start slow. Then we have the ISM services PMI, and we also have the non-farm employment change on Friday. So a lot of interesting news coming out this week. Not big news events as we've seen before. Looking at the liquidation map, we can clearly see a lot of people have been going long. When they see a pump to the upside, they usually go long, and usually that indicates that we have a lot of liquidation points to the downside. For the market maker, we have the open orders performed as well. So yeah, this is the information you have available. Make of this what you want. Now let's take a look at Chainlink. Chainlink has been in this range from $6 to $8.5 approximately. We've seen some spikes above and below, but we've been in this range for over a year. As you can see, if you went long around $6 and took profits at 8.5, you could have seen some nice profits, and doing vice versa. When it's at 8.5, you go short and take profits at $6. We've seen this happen again. We pumped all the way up to $8.3 approximately, where we went to the downside. Currently we're at $7.6. We'll see what happens if Bitcoin drops. $6 is your target, profit target. That is when you close your shorts and place your longs and build them to the downside. As you can see, we have volume candles to the downside as well. 5.9 and $4.9 is your potential targets to the downside, and where you could start building your longs. And not financial advice, you do whatever you want to do. This is just for education and entertainment purposes only. But the next target is $6 for Chainlink. Make of this what you want. This was Big Boss Brother number 2. See you soon. Big Boss out.